All right, healthy eats, boomer style. Let's go. We're back at the Fil-Am restaurant, one of our family's go-to spots for celebrations, good eats, and for me, my first healthy foodie review. Today's mission, eating a little healthier. Wow, there it goes, the Fish Lumpia. That looks so sarap. First bear after 2 months of gout. Here we go. The Fish Lumpia looks so golden, crispy, and smells so sarap. All right, this is Fish Lumpia.
Maybe it's the fish that white fish. Yeah, like
Oh my God.
like,
This is Fish Lumpia.
like the salt
Crunchy.
fish. Yeah.
What do you guys like?
Flavorful.
Oh no! What's your favorite?
Oh my God, not gonna try. I need to try the sauce.
Anyway,
Is it by you too, or do we have to?
Okay. Fish Lumpia. 7 Mile. Very good. Flavorful. Healthy. Gout-friendly. A must.
Okay, we'll go.
Evelyn, how is it? This is going.
This is hella good. Oh yeah. This is the first.
And check out the fish and chips and Caesar salad. Oh boy, I'm gonna need to try that.
Yeah, like
Okay,
around, like,
now
every time we come
I'm over here at 7 Mile, and as you probably know, I'm actually trying to eat
before they were born.
gout-friendly, healthy foods. And we are here at the 7 Mile restaurant, as I mentioned. And right now we had ordered the fish and chips. I'm going to be sharing with Evelyn. And the Caesar salad. It has a little bit of anchovies in the sauce, but it's okay. Hearty. Right over here. Take a look at that.
Here, Mom.
Yeah, look at that. And this is the here. Doesn't that look delicious, Evelyn?
This is hella good.
Yes. All right, let's go check it out.
Terry.
All right, this is the fish and chips. One other thing about fish and chips that it really comes with the fries. And for myself, you have an opportunity to try it with the HS salt. Now let's go check it out. Okay, I'm gonna give this a shot. I like it with the tartar sauce. Thank you. All right, here we go. Gout-friendly.
What day is it though? So we'll find it around that time.
It's every Saturday.
Okay.
So it don't matter.
This is very delicious. What I like about this is that the bread, it's very light battered. You know, you eat some places where the batter is really thick, but this is very, very thin. The fish is nice, soft, and juicy, very succulent. The flavor is really good. I really like this. Oh yeah. Gout-friendly food, 7 Mile. These fries look so golden brown, and I sure love a lot of ketchup. Here we go.
No, the one you ate is
The fries are good.
It's
Okay, now it's time to try this Caesar salad. It looks really, really good. There's a little bit of anchovy in the dressing, but not so much. And I think I've had it before, and my gout did not flare up. So it should be good. All right, here we go. Here we go. The sauce is very creamy, very crunchy. I love the fact that the cheese is freshly shredded. You can tell the freshness of it. Evelyn is enjoying it too. She loves hers too. We're enjoying it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Gout-friendly, healthy food here at 7 Mile. What did you like yours? Yeah, yummy. Yeah, this is really good. Definitely recommend it. I'm a little red because I had a couple of beers and I haven't had beers in a while, so anyhow. Yeah, definitely a good must. Gout-friendly, healthy foods at 7 Mile. How's the salad, Evelyn? It's good. All right, great. Awesome. Mom ordered the veggie lumpias. How is it, Mom?
very good.
Very good?
Crunchy.
Crunchy, huh? Wow. Very crunchy, Mom? Okay. Did you like it?
I like it.
Okay. Wow.
Greasy.
Oh, not greasy. Wow. My mom likes it. She says it's great. It's not greasy. Wow, what an evening. Talking about good food, family love, and a healthy twist.
Boomer style. Well, 7 years ago, we came to the 7 Mile to welcome my nephew who relocated from Las Vegas to San Francisco as a single man. But today we are back, but this time we are celebrating his move back home, back to Vegas, but not as a single man, with his fiancée, and not to mention my adorable grandnephew's first visit to the 7 Mile. But here's the real highlight. My 83-year-old mom trying Veggie Lumpia for the very first time. She was so real, so honest, so adorable. So this is just the first of many Boomer on the Move healthy foodie reviews. So stick around, follow along, and let's keep tasting healthy foods wherever it feels right. Boomer on the Move.